In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert timestamp to date in Google Sheets. If you've got a full timestamp like 02/03/2026, 11/01/16, and you only want the date, there are a couple of clean, reliable ways to do it, and I'll show you exactly how, along with a key formatting step so your results display correctly. First, here's the idea behind the recommended method. Google Sheets stores dates as whole numbers that count days, and it stores times as the fractional part of that number. That means the date is everything to the left of the decimal, and the time is everything to the right. Because of that, the simplest way to remove the time is to keep only the whole number. In a cell next to your timestamp, type a formula like int A2, assuming your timestamp is in A2. Press enter, and you'll immediately get the date number without the time. You can then copy the formula down the column as needed. This method is fast, dependable, and works whenever the timestamp is stored as a true date time value. If your timestamp is stored as plain text, you'll use a slightly different approach. Text values don't behave like datetime numbers, so the int function won't help. Instead, use date value A2. This converts a text-based date or timestamp into a proper date number that Sheets recognizes. You can usually tell a value is text if it aligns to the left by default, or if formatting it as a date doesn't change how it looks. After applying date value, you'll have a valid date number you can use in calculations or comparisons. No matter which formula you use, there's one more essential step: formatting. If you see a number like 45347 instead of a familiar date, that's normal. It's the underlying date serial. To display it as a date, select the cells with your results, go to Format, then Number, and choose Date. Pick the date style you prefer, and your values will show as readable dates. This formatting step doesn't change the value, it only changes how it appears. A few quick tips before we wrap up: keep your original timestamps in one column and put your formulas in another so you can always go back. If the day and month look swapped, make sure your spreadsheet's regional settings match the date format you're using. And if a timestamp includes time but you only need the date, int is usually the quickest and most accurate option. That's it. With int for real timestamps, date value for text, and proper formatting, you'll have clean dates in seconds.